Hi there friends, welcome to channel Organized by Darcy. In today's video, I'll be taking a snapshot to show you how I've refreshed our home after the holidays for 2024. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Would love to have you here as part of the group. Just by pressing that subscribe button below, you automatically become a member of our group. And by pressing the bell icon, which is right beside the subscribe button, you'll be one of the first to be notified when new videos are uploaded weekly. Now, let's get started. Come with me. Welcome to our home for 2024. I am so excited that you're here today, and I wanted to share what my home looks like after the holidays. The Christmas tree's down, all the decorations are done, and I'm so happy. I'm one of those people that love to decorate for Christmas, but the day after Christmas or a couple of days after, I'm ready to take things down. And believe me, it wasn't very long after Christmas that I took everything down, including the Christmas tree, which I took down a couple of days after. Hello there friends, welcome to our home and welcome to our kitchen for 2024 as I reset the kitchen for the new year. Now, the first thing that I did was to clean the refrigerator. So I took everything out. This is what the interior looks like now. I've wiped the area down, both the top and the freezer. Wiped the areas down with hot soapy water, and now I'm ready to restock. Now these are some of the items that I took from the refrigerator, and all the freezer items and some of the other shelf items are inside the other refrigerator in the garage. But these are the things that I'll have to restock and reorganize in the refrigerator today. So I was MIA in early January trying to find one of these Stanley cups for my granddaughter. As luck would have it, I actually was able to purchase 5, these colors as you see, and then later on I went back and exchanged some of the colors to these that you'll see right here. Here I'm playing a little bit of golf with my grandkids.
Nice shot, Nana.
The ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue. Come. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems and
Now, this is our guest bathroom downstairs, but if you watched any of our videos, most of the shorts for Christmas, you'd have seen where this bathroom was all decked out for the holidays. And now it's back to its plain old Jane. And I really enjoy the bathroom looking like this now, as I've taken everything down, all the Christmas decorations, and it's all set for the rest of the year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you'll be back next week as we start a new series of cleaning and organizing for 2024. I look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and as usual, good luck.